Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm making the lemon tahini sauce with our plant-powered mix. So it's super easy. I've sprouted the sesame seeds for you. And all your spices are in here. The only thing you need is a cucumber and some lemon juice. So you put that in your Vitamix, high-speed blender, those two things. Then add the mix and blend it up, adding a little water as necessary. And that takes a little longer to blend because of the sesame seeds. But look at how beautiful this is. Creamy. Put it over your falafel and you have a beautiful sauce. This is a great salad dressing, or you can put it on anything, burgers, anything that you like for a sauce. It's really, really delicious. And for more recipes like this one, check out our website and our social media channels, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.